For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. This vehicle has had upgrades. It's been leveled, and it has Toyo open country tires. It is a 2019 F-350 LARIAT in ingot silver, black leather interior, and it has a LARIAT Sport package, which includes the center console and the dark colored grille. It also has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 and it's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and it also has the LARIAT Ultimate package, which includes navigation as well as a tailgate step and spray and liner. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power extending mirrors and memory for 3 drivers, and this nice inlay. The driver's seat has power with lumbar, and you have your parking brake located here, tailgate release, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, as well as power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. And on the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages. And as well, this is a push start. So what I just did is I had my foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and push the engine start button that you see there. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages. As well, you have My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. The automatic select shifter has tow haul, and when I press that, you'll see it appear to the left of the odometer reading and then out again. Up above, you're seeing the B&O badging for the audio system, and you also have a little bin. There's your exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, and hill descent. And on your sources, you can just touch on the screen, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Your climate button, you can press on that. You've got a heated steering wheel as well as dual climate control for driver and passenger. Navigation, that'll come up with the map. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And as well, you can go into your settings and slide through for different options, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. There's volume and tuner, and down below is your dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats. And you have your fan in the center there. I'm just going to open up the bin for you. AC and max AC, and front and rear defrost. And in the bin there, you're seeing a couple of USB outlets. And then you simply press in the center and it'll close it right up. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, and your integrated trailer brake controller. You have a nice little bin there to put items, and you also have your cup holders. You're seeing the light in the bottom, that's your ambient lighting. The armrest opens up, and inside, nice little bin, you can throw your phone in there or whatever. And down below, lots of storage and a 12 volt. Off to the side, another 12 volt and 110 outlet. You have 2 glove compartments, the lower one is locking. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. You have your universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls and sunglass holder. There's a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for, upfitter switches. And the nice thing about this vehicle is it has a power sliding screen. So if it's just too bright, you can just slide that right across. And then when that goes across, you can see we have good view of the sky today. And then you just press this, and there's your slide for your twin panel moonroof, and you get some nice fresh air. In the body, there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. Open country tires, 20-inch wheels, level kit, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera's just above that handle, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper. 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. Inside, it's got a nice spray-in liner, tie-downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and you also have a tailgate step. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and that nice inlay. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and the seat will come right up. You have this lockable, collapsible bin underneath. And when you're ready to bring the seat back down, simply pull the tab again, push, and it'll go down into the regular seated position. And at the base, you have clips to be able to tether baby seats. In the center, an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's an all-weather mat on the floor as well as extra carpeted mats and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110 USB outlets, as well as air vents. And in the center, you're seeing the little red seats. That's the heated seats for back here. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, that panoramic view. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Colored bumper, dual exhaust, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, power scope, telescoping trailer tow mirrors that are heated and powered, as well as blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.